在外国的垃圾桶里都能找到什么？接下来我们跟着拾荒者麦克的脚步去寻找宝藏。
Crooked and such. Look at that. We got some grow lights in here, man. Or something. Let's step down in here in my office. Take a peeky poo. What is this? Oh my. That looks like a light for a stage. They'd make a killer fishing light, huh? That's one too. They look like they look old. They may be the replacements. Or they may have been replaced. Put that down there. There. There's a light. That looks pretty much new, huh? Golly, I don't know. These kind of look... We'll have to see. I think it's 120 volt. Looks it. Take these. These have aluminum on them. There's a reflector. I think. Right, man. Growing some crops. There. There's a strobe. Safety lights. Cool. High bay light LED. Man, if that works, it's going in my garage. It's a pretty nice U-line bin. Grab that. Go up on the old scavenger shelf. What we got going on up in here? A bunch of empty boxes. Some of these boxes. What are these? These are little port things, huh? Check it out. Take it though. It is metal. What is this? Piece of something. There's some more here. Yep, there's some more of those. Cool. Got a lot of plastic going on up in here. Looks brand new, whatever it is. There's another one of those. A bunch of these. US net. These look interesting. I don't know what these are though. Ooh, that sounds metal. Yeah. Oh, no cable in the cable boxes. Here, there's a metal bracket. Spill out covers. Oh, okay. I know what a spill out cover is. I forgot my knife. And more of those overflow plastic. Lots and lots of plastic. There's a metal plate. That's heavy. Hot lock. It's a hot lock. Alright, y'all, there's a lot of crap up in here, but that's just it. Looks like extra parts to something. And they're all plastic too, so. Holy crap! That's a brand new DeWalt fan. What's up with this thing? It doesn't ever look like it's even been used. Well, if it works, that's a score for sure, my man. Score for sure. Big old tire, man. Go off-roading the tires. That's nuts with the fan. We'll definitely check that sucker out. There's a metal box. What's going on down here? Camera stuff. Oh, yep. Some more camera stuff. Okay. Cast aluminum there. Got us a box. It's box number 12. 12, my man. The big one, too. Yeah. Let's creep around this way. Something in this box. What is this? It's a door latch. All right. What's there? This is a speaker. It's a speaker box, or a cage for a speaker. I bet it goes up into its ceiling. Yeah, but that piece is plastic. On here, let's just. It's a call button by Viking. Ding, ding, ding. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yep. These are feeling empty here. Empty. Gotta give them a nudge there, you know? Empty there. Okay, couple things. Whoa. So we got anything up in here today? I see some big pipe. Yeah, baby. Give it to me. Take that big one. It's a really big. Here's those metal sticks. Not my favorite things, but grab them, man. They're not too long. Goodness gracious. Look at the length of that. This big guy here. Come up to the side. Toilet parts. Piece of pipe. Cat wire, pipe. Cat wire, nice to meet you. That looks like brass. Those are toilet flusher valves. Yeah, for the urinal. When you gotta make a pee-pee. There's a little brass. And we got crack-a-lacking over here. The big old box of wire. It's another big old mess of wire. Getting my workout in today, Sonny. Oh, fire down here. See something down here, I almost passed right up. Right off the spool, baby. Little piece there. Ooh, alrighty, y'all. We rocked it. Yeah. It's a box. I have found things in boxes in this dumpster before. We should investigate. Oh, I see stuff down here. What do we got? More antenna crap. That. All right. That over. Another one of them. Yeah. Some boxes here. What's in these boxes? I hear stuff. Bunch of brackets. That's empty. Look at that, it's a Ninja Star. Plastic in that one. There's this in here. It says CommScope, that's good. Shroud cover kits. Oh, I think it was the same crap that, yeah, okay, that last box. Brackets, that's gonna be plastic, and that's plastic. Brand new antenna. All right. That's a death trap. Uh-huh. It's a trap. We'll get this guy. It's another one of those antennas. Whoa. Whoa. Somebody's car went boom boom. Right, there's another one of those kits. All right, another one of these boxes. Woo! Something going on down here. There's a big old spool. I already know what that is though, no good. There's another kit. Something in here. The crap is that? Is that a heater? It's, I don't know what the crap that is. I think it's a heater. I don't know. Is that fans? Scrap. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Now we got a crate here. Oh, it's another one of those. Dual band AWS repeater. Fiber stuff. Look at that. I don't even know what it is, but it's so cool. We'll take it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't go down there. Whoa. Look at that, it's just a big empty box. Like my life. Alrighty, scavengers. we're gonna go ahead and call it right there. Not too shabby. I think we did pretty decent. Pretty darn decent, I might say.